Hey, what's up guys? It's your Zach from the Country Ears. Today we're going to be making homemade potato chips out of homegrown potatoes. Let's get to it. Oh, that's Trace behind the lens, by the way. So, first what you're going to do is you're just going to take a slicer and take your potato and just go like this. Okay, now that you get the point, I'm just going to finish up these potatoes and I'll get back to you when I'm done.
Hey guys, this is Trace. I was just filming, but now I'm in front of the camera. And just so another tip, when you are slicing the potatoes and you're using something like this, make sure to use I don't really know what it's called, but it's for the end of the potato so you don't slice yourself. Helps a lot. And what I'm going to be doing is spraying this plate with some non-stick spray, just enough so that the potatoes don't stick on it. That's about right. And pouring the vegetable oil into this little bowl, which I already pre-did. And if you have one of these little basters, you pick some of your good potato slices out, put them on the plate, and just put a little bit. Don't put too much, otherwise they don't taste very good. But make sure to get it on both sides. And completely cover the plate, just like this. And potatoes. We're gonna do this and cut back to you guys when we're cooking them.
Okay, so we finished that and we lightly salted it. So now we're gonna put it in our microwave. For how long? 1 minute. And there we go. See you later. Okay, it's almost done. Ta-da! That first minute is done. Oh, and by the way, it takes like 5 minutes. Just check it every minute to make sure it's not burning. So what do we do now?
You're gonna take it out and you're gonna flip over the potato chips.
Ooh, they're hot. Really hot.
Yep, and be careful not to burn yourself.
Now I'm gonna get a fork.
Flip them all over and then lightly salt the other side.
Yeah. And we'll get back to you when we're done with this. And they're ready for the ultimate taste test, guys. Where are we gonna do this?
Just put it down for now.
Okay.
Put it on the hot pad. Be careful, they're very, very hot.
Yes, they are.
Probably shouldn't be doing that. Okay, we'll cut to when we're doing the taste test.
Yep. Bye. Hey guys, we just let these cool for a couple minutes, and today we're gonna do the ultimate taste test. Some are skinny, some are thick, but they're all crispy, so that's all that matters. First, I'm gonna take a skinny one.
Me too.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
They're very, very crunchy, but not too crunchy. Just right.
Yeah, they're very wholesome. But you really taste the potato flavor in a good way. And then very salty, but not too salty.
Just enough.
Just enough to give it a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Because we used good salt that isn't just salty to be salty. It's like flavorful salty.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna take a thick one.
Me too. Okay. Just as good.
You taste the potato a little bit more, but that's actually good. That's good.
Here's another thick one.
Wow. These turned out really, really good. You might be asking, Dude, you had so many potato slices, and yet you only have a little tray of potato chips. This was just our first batch. We have plenty of more that we're just making as we go. Yeah. We're gonna do the outro. And so, yeah, this was really good. All you had to do was use the microwave and some oil. And remember, stay country and peace.